Resisting is another charge.
You're in my shit. Get the fuck out of my car. I didn't ask you to get out of my car.
Isaiah, just make the phone call. Come on.
Bro, stop.
Isaiah, come on.
Touching me.
Isaiah, come on. Stop.
Isaiah,
Stop.
No. Come on. I'm gonna fucking report this, bro.
Isaiah? Hey, man. How you doing? You staying here?
How you know my name?
Well, because I ran your plate and you're trying to avoid me. Are you trying to avoid me or no? All right.
No, I went through the...
You're the register owner, right?
What?
You're the register owner. This is your car?
Wow, what's up?
Okay. So the register owner comes back suspended, all right? And then when I realized that, you pulled into the bank, and then all of a sudden I see you, and then you're driving around. I don't know if you're trying to avoid me or you're staying here. What's the plan?
No, I'm not avoiding you.
Okay.
I had a long night and went to the bank, and I came through the other way because I'm not trying to, you know.
Because I'll be honest, you're quick. I couldn't even catch up to you. I tried pulling you over, but...
No, you didn't, bro.
What is it?
You pulled out and then parked over there.
I parked because I was waiting for you because you're the register owner and you matched the driver's license that you shouldn't be driving because you're suspended.
Why can't I drive?
Because you're suspended.
On what chart? On what terms? On what?
What is it? I don't know, but it shows that you're suspended.
That, bro.
Well, I could look it up later on.
Kane County just arrested me.
For what?
For the same shit, bro. Like, I'm trying to
driving
deal with
and
that.
suspended?
But I have the right to travel, bro. Like, I'm not no fucking child anymore. 16, I needed a permit to go work and shit. Like, with a permit.
Yeah.
Okay?
Do you have a permit?
No, I got insurance. I got whatever you need.
Okay. You just call it out. He called it out. Do you have a license on you?
Yep.
But you do or don't?
I can't show you that.
What is it?
I can't show you that. I'm parked right now. Like, y'all can pull
I saw
me
you
over
driving.
and really talk to me.
I know.
But, you know, I'm tired of the games. Y'all need to look at all that shit you got on you, bro.
Well, it's just, I mean, it's not for you.
I know, but
caution, right?
That's fucking, man, bro. I'm not going. I'm not going. All right.
You're not going. What do you mean?
You just walked up on me like a fucking stranger, bro. Like,
how did I walk up as a stranger? All right, I saw you driving when you pulled out from Audubon. All right, and then your plate hit off my LPR, and it came back.
Hoffman or Schomburg?
Well, where are you at right now?
Call Hoffman.
Why Hoffman?
Because that's.
Why would Hoffman come out here? We're in Schomburg.
I don't know you guys like that, man. Like, I fucking almost got arrested for one of my homies from Schomburg. I had to fucking slap his ass because nobody got respect. So you're not gonna disrespect me right now.
I'm not trying to disrespect you.
I'm about to go in there and talk to my lady. All right.
Okay. Is that why you came here?
Yeah, I can fucking walk home, bro. I've done that shit.
Okay.
New Braunfels, look that shit up, but you can't because it's Texas.
What?
Texas ID. I got arrested. 3 cops, bro.
Yeah.
4 fight. I didn't even start, and I got arrested. Dude, didn't get arrested. Y'all are not doing y'all job. Y'all could do so much more and really charge the people. That's like, you could probably, give me a sobriety test right now. But
why would I want to do that?
But I've been chilling all night to come over here just in case. Oh, it's not open.
I know, I'm not worried about that.
It's in my bag.
I'm kind of worried while you're drinking Truly, but
I want to know your rules. But I got to do all the fucking homework. Rules like consciously. Are we thinking? I went to jail in Texas when I moved down there to get away from this.
Yeah.
My dad died here. I don't fucking like Chicago.
Mm-hmm.
I'll fucking flip.
Why'd you come back?
Because my grandma just passed away. A lot of shit is happening, bro.
That.
Like, I'm trying to. I could be in that suit, but you know how much.
Won't you?
You know how much fucking. You know how much. Like, I don't know what y'all go through, but I know what I would have to do to put myself in that suit.
Yeah.
And I'll go to jail right now. I'll get arrested.
Why would you go to jail?
And I'll pull some shit. But like, I don't like how you walked up on me, bro. So do I have a warrant?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah. See? For a fucking car a traffic ticket.
Yeah.
When I gotta go to court, I can't talk to y'all, but I cannot do that.
We can talk. All right. So
I want
listen,
my guns
Isaiah,
back. Why do I gotta go to the judge when a sheriff signs off as like what? The notary? Like what is that? What's that?
What do you mean?
The witness. A verbal witness.
Mm-hmm.
Why do I gotta go see the judge? Even though I'm so fucking like y'all.
Yeah.
Like I gotta go see the judge, but I can tell you my officer parole's parole. Like what the fuck? I didn't want none of that shit. Probation is the farthest I'm going. And I'm gonna fucking bite. I'm gonna bite back, bro.
Isaiah.
I'm gonna bite back.
Isaiah, so if you don't mind, can you step out?
No, I'm not stepping out, man.
Why not? Why not?
That's
Can I
why.
take the keys, bud?
No, why would I give you my keys?
Okay, Isaiah, listen.
explain it to
All right, so I'm not gonna. I saw you driving. Okay, we're gonna be beyond that. I don't care about that. Okay,
Right.
You're suspended. I'm not gonna give you any tickets or anything like that. All right, we're gonna leave your car here. We're gonna try to make sure if they're okay, if we can leave it here. But unfortunately, the thing is, you're gonna have to come with me because I gotta take you to King County
For what?
because you have a warrant.
I'm not going to Kane County.
All right.
They already got a lawsuit coming. So if y'all want another one for walking up on me, like
Okay, well,
You know?
then you could do that later on. But
I'm not doing
right now,
nothing
you're gonna have to
later
come
on,
with
bro.
us.
Give me a ticket or something, and don't
I'm
open
not,
my door, bro.
I'm not gonna give you a ticket. I already told you. I'm not
Y'all
gonna.
need a warrant to get me out this vehicle.
I don't need a
Now,
warrant.
if I stepped
We have
out,
a warrant
if
for
I
your
stepped out,
arrest.
bro,
Isaiah, we have a warrant. There's a warrant in our system and it's valid.
Okay.
I've already talked. Don't open my door,
Isaiah,
bro.
you're gonna have to come
I
with
swear
us,
to
okay?
God, bro.
Okay.
I'm calling my lawyer.
Go
Okay.
ahead and call your lawyer.
I
That's
do
fine.
not
Isaiah,
deal with this.
listen. Hey, dude. All right.
Like
it's-
y'all just wanna fuck with me.
I don't even know.
What's
I've
today?
never met you.
What's today? Sunday?
Yeah.
I can't go.
Well, you're gonna go tomorrow morning to court.
No, because I have shit to do tomorrow.
Okay. Well, then.
All right, y'all don't pay my bills.
Okay.
You need
Right.
a warrant to go in my house. You need a warrant to get me out this car.
I do have
And
a
when I
warrant.
pull off, you can pull me over. But you're supposed to give me a citation. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Not
Okay. But the thing is, you have a
incriminate me.
warrant. Listen, Isaiah.
A warrant for what?
It's some traffic offense.
Can
that
you
got in
show me
King
the
County.
warrant? Can you show me it?
I don't have the copy of the
That's
warrant.
why.
Okay?
That's why
All
y'all.
right?
That's
It's
why
in
we
the
are
system.
failing,
It's in the computer. Okay, so Isaiah,
bro.
you're gonna have to come with us. Okay, so
I'm not going nowhere.
make it as easy as possible.
You know?
All right. I'm doing you a favor
You're not
by
doing
not
me a
giving you a
favor.
ticket, and I'm not towing the car.
No.
Okay.
I wish y'all would.
So you'd rather have the car towed and pay $500 fee
I'm not
and go to
talking-
court
I'm not
again
talking shit.
to
This
Cook
is private.
County?
But then you'll
Property.
get another charge on top of this. We're making this easy on you, man.
No, you're not.
Because you were saying we don't have a warrant, but we do have a warrant. That's all it is,
No,
man.
you could say that shit. You need to
We-
show
I-
me
we
the
just
warrant.
confirmed
We
it.
do
Just
have-
confirmed
yes.
our dispatch.
Bro,
All right, it's from King County.
Look, I'm gonna show y'all some papers.
All right, let's not reach in the backpack, Isaiah.
Oh, now,
Okay.
now you're coming over here threatening me.
How am I
threatening
how am I
Yes, you
threatening
are. You walked up on me, bro.
How is that threatening?
Like I swear to God, I swear to God.
Isaiah,
Keep on.
Can I be straight
Isaiah.
with you?
What?
Listen, we have a warrant for your arrest. So whether you like it or not, you're gonna
I'm
get out
not.
of the car.
I'm not Isaiah.
You just gave us your driver's license, man.
Don't play
Bro.
games.
Okay, because
Bro.
then you're gonna just catch another charge now.
Bro,
And instead of going to King County, you're gonna go with us.
you
and then
asked.
You're gonna go to King
You
County.
asked. That's respect. But that's as far as I'm going. That's y'all want to see the government ID?
What?
That's what it is.
Yeah. All right, listen.
You walked up on me. That is a.
Listen, Isaiah. Let me
Bro,
let me
you
explain
can't
it to you.
do
Okay.
that.
Listen, you drove. I saw you driving. Your
So
car,
what?
your car's registration hit off my LPR.
Yeah, and
all
it
right?
did a lot
it came back
It
because
did a lot of
you're the
sheriffs
registered
and shit.
owner.
It did a lot of sheriffs and shit too. But see, they see me. I hit the.
Okay,
I hit the
listen,
hazards on them
listen,
and everything.
telling
I'm
you.
trying to.
Okay,
I'm trying
telling-
to do this.
I already told you. I don't
I'm
give a
trying to
shit.
do
I don't
this.
give a shit about your suspended license. I don't want to give you
Right.
tickets. I don't want you to get another court date. I don't want to tow your car because that's another $500. I understand if you're
Okay.
struggling and everything, but the thing is, there's
write
nothing.
me-
There's
so
nothing.
write me a ticket.
Listen,
Isaiah, let him
I don't
talk.
want to, but the thing is, I can't do anything about this warrant. Okay.
That's what that is. It's a
So I'm doing
citation.
you a huge favor right now
So
by not giving you
take
tickets
out your
and towing
book
your car.
and you write me that citation.
No,
you have
that's not how warrants
you
work.
need to go to court. Here's a ticket for what? My registration's bad, or is it
It just
insurance?
says traffic offense.
Thank
so that's
you.
why.
Thank
That's
you.
why.
So y'all
Okay,
y'all updated me because I don't get no mail.
Okay.
That's like stalking and
Okay,
shit.
well then,
Motherfuckers sending you mail and shit, that's weird. Like anthrax shit. Y'all don't know how easy it is to fuck up.
Isaiah, you're gonna have to come out, okay?
I'm opening my shit, bro.
Come on,
Bro,
just step out.
Bro,
Step out.
touch me. I swear to God.
Just step
Isaiah, you're
out.
gonna get
okay?
come on,
Listen,
you're gonna get more charges.
I don't want you coming with us,
Bring
okay?
your phone with. That's fine.
We'll take your phone. We'll take everything that you want from here.
take it with
don't
you.
get to touch my shit.
Yeah, we do though, bro.
And my keys?
Okay.
Oh, man.
Come on,
Listen, Isaiah, come on.
Isaiah,
Bro.
Isaiah, come on.
Are we doing it the hard way?
Isaiah, come on.
Don't touch me, bro.
Get out.
I'm calling my mom's right now.
Get out.
Call her in the station.
No,
Get
I'm
out.
not calling her in the station.
Isaiah, stop.
Get
You're not gonna
out.
You
get
are
any more
breaking and
charges.
entering, bro.
No, we're not. Okay.
Yes, you
So
are.
listen, all right.
Get out of the car.
Bro,
I don't
bro.
want you getting more
I swear
charges
to
than
God,
you
bro.
need to be. Okay.
What?
Get
Come on.
out of the car.
Let's
Bro,
go. What
bro.
are we doing? What,
Bro,
Get out
Isaiah,
of the
come on.
car.
bro, y'all have to give me time, bro. You don't get to choose. You don't get to
Get out.
fucking choose, bro.
Come on. Let's go. Isaiah, stop. Just get out.
Don't touch
out.
me. Stop fucking trying to help you. Get the fuck off me. Bro, you walked up on me, bro.
Isaiah, come on.
Get out of the car.
Isaiah, get out.
No.
Isaiah, don't try to bite me.
Bro,
dude.
I
If you
swear
try to bite
fucking
me, I
God,
swear to
if you
God.
break my fucking phone,
Get out of the car.
Isaiah, if you don't get out of the car.
call Big Mama.
Isaiah, get out of the car.
Isaiah, get out of the car right now.
Call Big Mama.
Get out of the car.
Isaiah, if you
Don't
Isaiah,
fucking touch me, bro.
Isaiah, get out of the
are you
car
gonna make
right
that
now.
Call? And then are you cool after you make the call?
Yep.
You're gonna make this one call and then you're gonna listen? Promise?
Yep.
Okay, make that call.
Y'all
We gotta
pissing
stay
me
right
off,
here
bro.
with you.
I'm shaking, bro. That's not
So
good.
are you, man. It's not good for anybody, man.
That's
You're gonna
not
get more
good.
charges, dude. Why do you do this?
No, I'm not.
Resisting is another charge.
Y'all in my shit. Get the fuck out of my car. I didn't even ask you to get out of my car.
Isaiah, just make the phone call. Come on. Come
Bro,
on.
stop
Isaiah, come on.
fucking touching me.
Isaiah, come on. Stop.
Nope.
Isaiah,
Stop.
go.
Nope. Come on. I'm gonna fucking report this, bro. And I got a torn ACL.
Come
Y'all tell
on,
my
man.
shit, bro.
Do you want to catch
What
more
do you
charges?
want?
Let's go. You're coming.
You walked up on me. This is unlawful
Come
arrest.
on. Let's go.
This is unlawful search.
Come on.
Get out or you're gonna
Let's
get
go.
tased.
Go get the
tased?
property manager.
You don't need
Come
to
on.
do that.
Yes, y'all
You have
do.
a warrant. You need to get
Bro,
out.
y'all
You're
are
under
just
arrest. You get out, or you're going.
get the fuck out.
Get out or you're gonna get tased.
Come on.
Bro,
Isaiah, get out.
Taser, taser, taser. Get out right now.
Get out.
Taser up, boy. Taser deployed. Do it again. Do it again. Do it
Back
again.
up, back up, back up.
Back up. Back up. Or I'm gonna hit him again. Get out now. You are under arrest. You're gonna get tased again.
Get out.
3, 2, 1. Taser, taser, taser. Get out.
Get out.
Yeah. Get out.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Fight, dude.
I'm not fighting.
Stop fighting.
I'm up.
Stop. On your stomach. On your stomach. On your stomach.
Who's got the cuffs?
On your stomach, bro. Like,
Grab him.
I got his license.
Who's got cuffs?
That's you. Delgado, you got cuffs?
All right, boys. I'm done.
Done now?
Yeah.
Damn, you made a sporting, bro. What the fuck? Why'd you gotta do this?
Bro, what are y'all doing?
Are you cool now? Are you cool?
I always wanted to be tased, but what the fuck?
Bro, thank you so much, man.
Come on, y'all too much.
You're too much.
All right, here.
Bro,
Sit him up, sit him up. Hey, sit him up, sit him up, sit him up.
this way, roll this way.
I have the right to travel, bro.
Sit him up, sit him up. Sit him up, bro.
And who's sergeant here?
I am, bro. I've been trying to talk to you the whole time.
Bro,
Why'd you go like
Schomburg, man.
You're getting charged. You're
I
staying
knew I was gonna have a
bro.
problem with y'all, man. I'm like, y'all.
Here, just sit
I don't wanna sit down.
Stay there.
My knee is torn, bro.
Stop.
Sit in the way that's
Just let me stand up, bro.
Let me pull this out so it doesn't poke you.
I swear I'll take all y'all. But, you know. That shit don't look fun. Why don't y'all go to the city and try this shit?
Alright, we're gonna make this sit here in the table.
Here, sit on the
Alright,
couch.
so keep your legs straight so your knee don't no you are.
Behind the shade.
Take a seat. Take a seat.
Here's the thing.
Why y'all make me do everything? What, you think I'm gonna run? Stop making me the fucking
Here, go
bad
stand.
guy.
Well, then stand
Like you
in-
think
stand
I'm
in-
gonna do
stand
this.
in
You
the
think
shade,
I'm gonna...
please. Stand in
How
the
about
shade,
you watch and learn?
Stand in the shade, please. Come over here. Where's cool
Here.
for you? Amen. We just got. We gotta come check you
Here,
out.
we're in the sun.
Yeah.
I can't get no fucking time.
Probably, yeah.
No, he's just mad as hell.
I got a phone number for her, so when you can make a phone call, she would like him to call her.
Trying to figure out why he's so agitated. Because police. That's why. That's why he's agitating.
He doesn't, right?
Exactly. But that doesn't give you the right to stop him for no reason. So what was the reason you stopped him?
What?
That's all I want to.
Isaiah faced multiple charges after officers discovered 1.7 grams of a white powdery substance in his vehicle. Along with possession of a controlled substance, he was also charged with driving on a suspended or revoked license, possession of cannabis under 10 grams, operating an uninsured motor vehicle, and resisting or obstructing a peace officer. The case has since drawn attention as more details continue to come out. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel.